covering news where you live. 5 News at 10 starts right now.
That means we'll be bringing up 4 of the appropriation bills we've been trying to do since July. Finally, we got the members together to be able to make that happen.
New tonight, House Republicans have voted to advance 4 conservative spending bills to avoid a government shutdown. It was a routine vote to bring the bills to the House floor for a debate, but this doesn't move Congress any closer to try to avoid a shutdown. Meanwhile, in the Senate, lawmakers passed a bipartisan bill to keep the government funded until November.
Yeah, the House still, though, divided, and it's unlikely to get this to the president's desk. That could lead to a shutdown on Sunday. But how exactly would that affect us here in Arkansas?
That's a good question. 5 News reporter Kayla Davis has more on what this could mean for Arkansans.
A government shutdown would halt federally funded programs and could put hundreds of thousands of federal workers in a tough financial position. A big swath of government functions can continue operating for up to 2 weeks during a shutdown. After that, students in higher education could see educational grant and student loan payment delays. The White House says around 10,000 children from low-income families would lose access to the government-funded Head Start preschool program. And the military might have to serve without pay. Veteran Affairs Secretary Dennis McDonough says while payments for health care, benefits, and cemetery interments will continue for veterans, other important programs will not.
We will not be in a position to do a lot of the outreach that has characterized the last year under the PACT Act. Our in-person contact centers at our VBA, our Veteran Benefits Administration regional offices, will be closed. We will not be in a position to maintain the grounds at our national cemeteries.
And with the bipartisan stopgap bill headed to the House, McDonough hopes to see a resemblance of VA support from last spring's bipartisan bill between President Biden and Kevin McCarthy.
Support for VA programs and VA care and VA benefits that veterans have earned. And that's what we hope. We hope that is the result of this current situation.
But what won't be affected? The United States Postal Service will continue to run as usual because it's not funded by Congress. And just like the last government shutdown, the XNA airport should see minimal to no changes.
Honestly, things here at XNA likely won't change much. Our folks here at TSA and the Air Traffic Control Center have a great work ethic. They're diligent people who work hard and they have a team player mindset. And so when the government shut down in 2019, we didn't really have any major delays or attendance issues.
Covering news where you live, Kayla Davis, 5 News.